Ever wondered how bears buy honey without enough acorns? Let's dive into the world of acorn cards, the bear version of credit cards. Imagine bears using acorns to buy honey. Honey is sweet, but sometimes a bear wants more than the acorns they have. That's when the bear uses an acorn card. This card lets the bear enjoy honey now and pay back the acorns later. In simple terms, the bear is borrowing acorns from the bear bank. Here's how acorn cards actually work for bears. When a bear uses the card, the bear bank pays for the honey up front. The bear now owes those acorns back. Bears usually have about 30 days to repay. If they pay on time, everything stays smooth. If they pay late, extra costs appear. Not every bear gets an acorn card. Here's why. The bear bank checks a bear's credit score, a trust meter showing how well they repay acorns. A high score means more trust and bigger borrowing power. A low score means fewer acorns and stricter limits.
An acorn card doesn't mean unlimited acorns. Beginner bears might start with 1,000 acorns, and as they prove responsible, the bank increases their limit. So why would a bear use acorn cards instead of acorns? Maybe the bear wants honey now but prefers to pay later in smaller amounts. Maybe the bear wants to build a strong credit score for bigger dreams like a cozy den or a honey truck. Maybe an emergency comes up and the bear needs extra acorns. Acorn cards are also safer. If someone steals the card, the bear doesn't lose their own acorns, the bank protects them. If the bear accidentally buys fake honey, the bank steps in to help. And the biggest reason bears love acorn cards? Rewards. Bear banks offer bonuses like extra acorns, honey points for honey shops, or tickets for bear adventures. Did you know there are different kinds of acorn cards? Some offer discounts on everyday honey shopping. Others help bears collect honey points for vacations. Some are for elite bears with perks like free trips and special events. But what could go wrong with acorn cards?
The downside is debt. If a bear doesn't repay, the bank charges interest, which is the cost of borrowing. With compound interest, debt grows quickly. For example, if a bear borrows 100 acorns at 2% monthly interest, after 1 month, they owe 102 acorns. After 2 months, 104.04 acorns. After 3 months, 106.12 acorns. The pile grows fast, making debt hard to escape. Other fees include setup fees, late fees, annual fees, ATM fees, and foreign transaction fees. Smart bears followed these tips to stay out of debt. They remembered that acorn cards are powerful tools, not free acorns. They check the APR, which is the bank's price tag for borrowing. They choose cards with rewards that match their honey habits. They only spend what they can repay each month. They keep borrowing under 30% of their limit, which means no more than 3 out of every 10 acorns. They track expenses and set reminders to pay on time. Credit cards can be sweet like honey, but only if used wisely. Bears together strong, and smart bears stay out of debt.